How to remove viruses from Windows without installing antivirus. Think your Windows PC might have a virus? You can use a built-in Windows tool to scan for and remove certain malware without installing another antivirus program. First, right-click the Start button. From the menu, select Run. You can also press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run window. Type MRT into the box. Then click OK. The Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool will now open. Click Next to continue. Here, you'll see three scanning options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Customize Scan. Select Quick Scan if you want to quickly check the most common locations for malware. If you want to check your entire computer, select Full Scan. Keep in mind that a full scan can take significantly longer, depending on how many files you have. You can also select Customize Scan if you want to check a specific folder. Choose the scan you want and click Next to begin. Wait for the scan to finish while Windows checks your computer for known malicious software. Once the scan is complete, Windows will show you whether any threats were detected. If the tool finds malicious software, follow the instructions on the screen to remove it. And that's it. You can use this built-in Windows tool to check your PC for certain types of malware without installing third-party antivirus software. Keep in mind that the malicious software removal tool is not a replacement for a full antivirus or Microsoft Defender Protect kit. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.